Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be taking you on how I created Pythagoras Theorem Calculator. Why don't you dive right in? Firstly, we're going to be writing H1 here. H1. We're going to be writing H1. You add H1 here. Then you add Pythagoras Theorem Calculator. Then in the style, H1 color white, font size AEM, font width 700. In the script, this we are going to start the real work. But before we start, let us check out our web page. And guys, this is our web page. So let's dive right to the main work. I'm going to be creating three variables. I put on percent and opposite. Let's copy this and this. Functions which is solve for the applicants, adjacent, and the opposite. So before we create those functions, firstly, we will look for the opposite, which is adjacent squared plus opposite squared. So we are going to analyze it. It's going to be opposite equals to root adjacent squared plus opposite squared. It's also going to be the same for the adjacent. We are looking for the adjacent, which is different, plus minus. So I know the adjacent, we're going to write adjacent equals to root hypotenuse squared minus opposite squared. Also the same for the opposite, which is going to be for the adjacent, it is going to be root hypotenuse squared minus opposite squared. But for the opposite, it's going to be root hypotenuse squared minus the adjacent squared. Now let's go to change. We go to the hypotenuse solver. The parameters are going to be hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite. Then here it's going to be let solution 1, let solution 1 equals to adjacent squared. Solution 2, so 2 equals to now the root for solution 1. Then we are going to put this function to add copy this and change some things but we can do for the lesson to call, so I won't call the function. So here, before we can call the function, we need to make an if statement. So to know when we're looking for the hypotenuse or the adjacent or the opposite. So if I'm looking for one of these values, instead of writing as the value, if you're looking for for hypotenuse, instead of writing as the value should be NaN in any how they write it, it should still work. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do that right now. I'm going to go to an first statement, and the condition is going to be hypotenuse dot uppercase equals to 9. And no matter how they write it, it is going to be N uppercase NaN. And you have to make sure that the others are not the same thing as the hypotenuse. Which hypotenuse not equals to adjacent and also not equals to opposite. So here I'm going to simply calling the hypotenuse solver. So here it's going to call the function. And just copy this. And paste it here. Then change adjacent So I'm going to be also solving for the opposite. So this is going to be opposite. Now guys, I think we're done. So let's test this in our web page. So I'm looking for the hypotenuse right here, NaN or and how you want to write it over in here. And I want to write it, it's going to work. The answer can be 12. Let's try for the adjacent hypotenuse 12, adjacent and the opposite 5. I've also gotten our adjacent. Alright guys, if you like this video, kindly share, subscribe, comment, like, and also click the notification bell to get more amazing videos like this. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.